Hi guys, I am coming on to do a video of a product that we got sent by a company called Leadchuang. I believe that's the way it is pronounced. You can always check out the link below. But this is a multifunctional surge protector. It has 3 ports for your plugs. It's got 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. It is ultra thin. It's got this nifty little thing that you can slide up so it can hang on the wall. Or you could also maybe attach this to a desk, or it could even just sit on the desk. I like the plug. The plug is ultra thin as well, so it will fit behind things, you know, like dressers, behind the bed where things are a little bit pushed up, where you might not have enough room. Some of those other plugs are super bulky. So I think it's pretty cool. And obviously, being an owner of a boot business, we work on pictures a lot. We've got our computer systems all set up. So a surge protector is definitely something that we will be using. So I'm going to give this one a big thumbs up, and thank you, Leadchuang, who sent us this. And I'm trying to think what else. Oh, it's got, I believe this is a 6-foot cord. I believe they also come in different lengths. There's one 10-foot cord. There might even be one even longer, but do not quote me on that. I'm not absolutely sure, but you could check that out at the link below. And it's an advanced surge protector, so it shuts off when things get overheated, when there's too much current, circuit issues. So that's really awesome. And like I said, we don't want to lose our pictures. We don't want to lose our videos that we work so hard on. So this is a wonderful product. So I hope you guys check it out. I am wearing our single seam over the knee boots. We're still not quite sure if we're going to, I'm wearing our single seam knee-high boots, and they have, we're not sure if we're coming out with these or not, but we're giving it a good old-fashioned try here to see if we like them or not. So possibly look for these in the future, but like I said, we're not quite sure if we're going to be bringing these ones out. Single seam boots, the thigh-high boots, the single seam high-rise boots will be back in stock very soon. We sold out of those right away, so we're going to be getting those in very soon. So keep checking back with us for those single seam high-rise boots. So I hope you guys have a very blessed day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.